74 is Category 1 hurricane. We could have those or even stronger. All right, Kara's got more. She's got to look at the winds and what we're expecting locally.
So let's dig in a little bit.
Okay. Actually, before we get to Karen, we're going to get to Karen in a couple of minutes. We're going to go out to one of our crews out in the field who has been out and about looking to see how store supplies are going and what the mood is at some of our local stores. CBS 12's Thomas Forster joining us live in Lantana at the Publix there. And how are the lines right now?